Hey everyone, so in the previous video I made a bathroom using the AI feature in Coohom, which I'm going to do now for a living room. This is also a recommendation from a viewer, something that I thought I should try myself. So we're going to make a couple of living rooms from this AI template here in Coohom and see how soon it takes us to make a couple of templates that we can share and also get into construction drawings, because without them they're absolutely nothing. So if you want to know how to make construction drawings for your projects, I have a video on that and you can check it in the description below. So let's get started. I've already have a layout of a 366 square foot living room. Let's get into the AI tool and see a couple of templates that we can use. So I'm going to select the space as the living room, and you guys want to be sure of seeing whether if this has whole house living room or just a living room. If you go into the whole house, like this tool is still learning, it's going to add elements of a complete house in the living room. Like you could end up with a double king size bed. So we don't want that. We want to go with templates that have just living room mentioned over here. Another thing that you want to be careful of is to make sure that we select it as all and not just the soft furnishings or the hard furnishings. We want to make a completely empty room look like the template over here. So let's see. So this living room space that I have is about 35 square meters, and right over here you have the measurements of the template that it covers. And there are quite a few styles here that we can select from, but we'll just randomly go through some. Let's see this. This has quite a lot of details. Let's see if it gets captured. Let's check it from the floor plan. Definitely needs some adjustments, but I think it did a fairly decent job. It needs some adjustments. Like I told you, it is still learning, but surely a time saver, in my opinion. Add 2 more chairs here. The best part is these templates can be edited. Even these materials over here, you can edit them. Let's see how they look in renders. If you guys want to see how I set up renders, I have a video in the description below, so you guys can check that as well. So while those images render, let's check another template. Just clear these decorations and let's see how this one looks like. I think it's nice. It's fairly detailed, and the renders are super quick with Coohom, so it gives you a quick preview of how it looks like. Let's see their construction drawings, because without them they're really nothing. In my previous video, the construction drawings were fine. They were oddly placed objects, but this is a fairly spacious room. So let's see how these turn out to be. If you want to know how to make construction drawings, I have a video for that, in case if you guys want to check it in the description below. I think it's fine. It does big spaces as well, but make sure that the name of the space is mentioned in the floor plan and it's not just unnamed. Make sure of that and try these templates. You can definitely draw them out the way you want. And you have the other ones over here. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Drop a like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and let me know what you guys think, and see you guys in the next one.